What's up, guys? We're back with another video. So we're back with another trains and planes and Roblox gaming videos. So I did change my YouTube channel name to Trains and Planes and Roblox gaming videos. And so today we're here at this train museum, and there is a train. We looked at Big Sandy Live, and there's a train and there's a green light. I don't know if you can see it very good, but yeah, there's a green light. And there's a Union Pacific SD70M in the front locomotive, for the front locomotive. So there's a So there's a SD70M for the front locomotive, and there's a Kansas City Southern for the second locomotive. And then for the third locomotive, there's like this small little locomotive. It's like really cool. I'm trying to fix the camera. I messed something up. Huh?
He's got a professional camera.
Oh, how does he know? Do you know? Well, he probably knows. Right? That's cool. Wait, did you see it? Oh, yeah. Imagine I had one of those. That'd be cool. He probably knows, too.
You need a better camera.
Huh?
You need a better camera.
Like what? Because the quality...
Like not an iPad, like an actual camera that you record videos on.
Yeah, that would be cool. So there is a little bit of a storm right now, but it's okay, because we're still going to catch this train. So it might take like a couple minutes, because they have to go really slow, because this is a freight yard. There's like a little bridge over there with a freight yard over there. So yeah, it's that's why the freight yard it has to slow down there. But it does have a green light though. Right there. Green. You hear it? Oh, I can too.
Go there on the thing and stand it.
Yeah, I want to see it from here though.
Hey, go over there and do it.
Oh, I see him. He's going quick. Whew. Gotta catch him. Oh, here he comes. Oh, there he is. Ooh, he's going fast. Oh, it's gonna be loud.
They honk. I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know if they honk or not. Cruising, isn't he?
Ooh, yeah. And it's gonna
like it because you like it.
Yeah. So I'm gonna set the camera back. And this railroad crossing does actually have like the bell, so it's pretty cool. That was cool. Wasn't it, Daddy?
Yeah, pretty cool.
Yeah. Okay, guys, that was all for today's video. So if you enjoyed today's episode with this cool train, so yeah, guys, bye. Peace.